Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created a custom WooCommerce discount pricing rules plugin using Claude AI. So I created this plugin from the scratch using Claude AI, and you can do the same. You can also create the same plugin using Claude AI, or you can download the plugin that I have created and install it on your WooCommerce website. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to download the same plugin for free. Using this plugin, you can create different types of pricing rules. For example, percentage discount, fixed amount discount, fixed price discount, or buy one get one offer. I'll show you how you can apply these rules, how does this work, and how you can create multiple rules using this plugin. So I'm going to show you step by step how I started with a simple prompt, what were the errors and issues that I faced while creating this plugin, and finally after 5 different versions I got the working WooCommerce discount rules plugin. So let's see how does this work.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So here I'm logged into my Claude account and I have already installed the Claude application on my computer. If you do not want to install the application, you can simply go to any browser and open the Claude website and start creating plugin using Claude AI. Here I'm using Claude Pro account. However, you can create the same plugin using the Claude free version also. It may take multiple sessions to create the same plugin using the free Claude account. Here is the initial prompt that I used to create this plugin. Can you create a WooCommerce discount rules plugin? Do not create it right now. I just want to know if it is possible. What will be the features of the discount rules plugin? And this is the answer. Yes, it is absolutely possible. I can create a fully functional WooCommerce discount rules plugin, and these are the features of the plugins. The number one is rule type. You can use percentage discount, fixed amount discount, fixed price discount, and buy one get one offer. These are the conditions or triggers: cart subtotal, product specific rules, category based rules, quantity based pricing, user role, specific customer, or coupon stacking rules. Out of these conditions, I did not use the user role, specific customers, and coupon stacking rules, priority and stacking, display options, admin panel, and compatibility. So these are the features of this plugin. So I asked Claude, can we create multiple discount rules using the same plugin? That means, can we add more than one rules at a time? And the answer was yes, absolutely. This plugin will support multiple discount rules running simultaneously. And these are the features again. So I asked Claude to build the plugin. This was the prompt. Build the plugin, and it started working on it. It took around 5 minutes to create the first version of the plugin. Here you will see the installation instructions and what the plugin does. This was the first version of the plugin. I downloaded the plugin. Here you will see an option to download the plugin. I downloaded the plugin and I installed the plugin on the WooCommerce website, and there was an error in the first version of the plugin. Here you will see the error that I got. I installed the plugin on WooCommerce website. It shows a message in WordPress. WooCommerce has detected that some of your active plugins are incompatible with currently enabled WooCommerce features. So that was the error I got in WordPress, and that error message was for this newly installed plugin. I asked Claude to fix the issue. It worked on it and gave me the updated plugin. I downloaded the plugin and installed it, and that error message was gone. I started working on it. I tested the plugin and I created one discount rule, and that was not working. So here is the error. I installed the updated plugin. It does not apply the discount rule. I set the 20% discount rule for all the products. Minimum value was $200 and maximum value I left it blank. Minimum and maximum quantity I left it blank. I added the products worth $300 and it does not apply 20% discount. So basically it was not working. It was not applying any discount rule. And when I tried to edit the discounted rule, there was no option to update the existing rule. If I go back to website, this is the existing rule, and this button was not available in the first version. So I was not able to update the existing rule. So I asked Claude to fix the issue. It started working on it, and I asked Claude to create a version 1.1 plugin. So it fixed the issue and gave me the version 1.1 plugin. I installed the version 1.1 plugin, and the calculation in that plugin was wrong. The discount calculation was wrong. For the same example mentioned above, 20% discount for more than $200, When the cart value reaches $200, it applies 20% discount to the total cart. That was correct. But when the cart value is more than 200, it was applying 20% additional discount on the product price. So the calculation was wrong. And I asked the Claude to fix the issue. Here you will see the explanation. I asked the Claude to create version 1.2 plugin with all the fixes. So Claude found some issues with the calculation and it fixed the issue and gave me version 1.2 plugin. I downloaded and installed the version 1.2 plugin. All the calculations were good. Now there was an issue in the 1.2 version also. Here you will see the scope. Currently it is set to all products. If I change it to specific products, it was not letting me to select any product. That was the issue in the version 1.1. So I was not able to select any product, or I was not able to select any category. So I asked Claude to fix this issue. It started working on it and gave me the version 1.3 plugin. Instead of version 1.3, I asked Claude by mistake to create version 1.4. So it gave me version 1.4 plugin. I installed it, it was working. I was able to search the product, I was able to search the categories also, and it was applying the discount. However, this version also had issue with the fixed amount discount pricing. If I go back here, you will see discount type is set to percentage discount. I changed it to fixed amount discount and I added the discount value, that is $20 for example, and it was not applying that $20 discount. Even if the cart value is more than 200, it was not applying the fixed $20 discount. So again, I went back, I asked Claude to fix the issue. It fixed the issue and gave me version 1.5 plugin. I installed the version 1.5 plugin and it is working properly. All the conditions and triggers are working properly. And finally, I got the working plugin. Now let me show you how you can install this plugin and how you can create different types of rules. So let's go back to the website, go to plugins. I'm going to delete this plugin and I'm going to reinstall it. Under plugins, you will see this plugin, WC discount rules. If you want to change that name, you can mention that in Claude prompt and it will change the name also. I'm going to deactivate it and let's delete the plugin. All right, now I have already downloaded this updated plugin and I have it on my computer. So let's go to plugins, click on add new plugin, go to upload plugin and choose the file. You will see different types of versions here. This is the first version, then 1.1, 1.2, 1.4 and 1.5. So I'm going to select 1.5, click on open, click on install now. Click on activate plugin. All right, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel under WooCommerce, you will see the option discount rules. Let's click on it. And these are the discount rules that I created before. I'm going to delete these rules and we're going to start from the scratch. All right, now we do not have any rule here. I'm going to delete the products from the cart also. All right, and let's go to shop page. All right, now let's go back and create a new rule. Let's name it as winter sale and status is active. Priority, you can change the priority. Let's say you have multiple rules, then you can set the priority. Here you will see a checkbox. When this rule matches, stop processing other rules. I'm not going to check this option for now. The first rule type is percentage discount. I'm going to keep it on percentage discount, and let's say I want to apply 20% discount. Scope will be all products. You can select specific products or specific categories. I'm going to keep it on all products. Minimum cart value, let's say $200, and maximum I'm going to keep it as it is. There is no limit on maximum value. Minimum quantity, you can set minimum quantity or maximum quantity. I'm going to set minimum quantity 1 and maximum quantity as it is. If you want to schedule this rule, you can select the start and end date. Here you will see a calendar. You can select the start and end date. I'm going to keep it as it is and click on save the rule. So this is the first rule that we have created. You will see it here, the name, percentage, 20% discount on all products. Minimum cart value is 200. Now let's go back to shop and I'm going to add some products here. Let's add this product. Let's add this one also. Let's go to cart. Here you will see the cart total is $50. Now I'm going to change the quantity here. Let's make it 8. Update the cart. and total cart value is now 225, and you will see 20% discount is applied automatically. This is the name of the discount, winter sale, 20% discount, and the discount is $45, and this is going to be the final value. So that means this rule is working properly. I'm going to change the quantity here, update it. Now the total value is $400 and 20% discount is $80, and the final value is $320. Right now, let's go back and I'm going to deactivate this rule, and I'm going to create a new rule. Add new rule, let's say flat discount. Okay, and this is going to be active. For the discount type, I'm going to select fixed amount discount. Let's say $50 discount, and this will be applied to all products. Minimum cart value should be, let's say, $300. Maximum can be anything. Minimum quantity and maximum quantity, if you want to set that number, you can set that number. If you want to schedule this rule, you can schedule the rule and click on save the rule. So this is a simple rule. Discount of $50 on a purchase of 300 and more. Right now, let's refresh it, and here you will see the cart value is more than $300 and $50 discount is applied. If I change the number here, update the cart, total value is now less than $300 and there is no discount. If I make it more than $300, then you will see the $50 discount is applied automatically. Now even if I change the number here, let's make it $1,450, the discount is only $50. It is not going to increase the discount because it is not a percentage discount. So this rule is also working properly. Now let's go back, and I'm going to add new rule. This will be, let's say, buy one get one offer. So let's name it as BOGO, that is buy one get one offer. You can set the priority, and here I'm going to check this box. When this rule matches, stop processing other rules. So I'm going to check this box, and from the drop down I'm going to select buy one get one, and here buy one get one. You can also create different rule like buy two get one off, buy three get one off. For the scope, I'm going to change it to specific products. Let's go back to the website. I'm going to delete these products from the cart. Go to shop. Now let's say I want to create an offer for this product, cashew butter. So I'm going to search for that product. You will see it here. So this rule will be applied to this specific product only. Here again, if you want to add a condition based on the cart or the quantity, you can change the numbers. And if you want to schedule this rule, you can select the start and end date. I'm going to save the rule. Right, so we have two rules here, and the buy one get one is exclusive. Let's go back to shop. Let me refresh it. Let's add this product to the cart. Go to cart. Go to view cart. Now here you will see that there is no discount. I'm going to change the quantity here. Let's make it 2. And you will see there is a 50% discount. That means buy one get one. So the customer is going to pay only for the one product here. That is $25. If I change it to number 3, update it, there will be a discount of $25 only. That is only for one product. If I make it 4, update it, now you will see buy 2 get 2 free. $50 discount, and customer is going to pay only for 2 products, not the 4 products. So this is how the buy one get one offer works, and this rule is also working properly. So if you want to add discount pricing rules in your WooCommerce website, you can try creating a custom WooCommerce plugin using Claude AI. If you want, you can also download the plugin that I have created using the Claude. I'll give the link in the description box. You can go to my website and download the plugin for free. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.